was right when he said,
"You will not bow to this ranger from the north."
but he was also wrong, but also kind of right, but also kind of wrong. It's complicated. Let's talk about it. So when Denethor says, "I shall not bow to this ranger from the north," he's kind of cooking. Like, he's onto something, but also he's onto jack shit at the same time. We need to take this all the way back to Numenor. Numenor sinks, it's destroyed, but the faithful Numenorians, the good ones, escape and they land in Middle-earth. And they're led by Elendil, the very same. And these men found two kingdoms. In the north, they found the realm of Arnor, and Elendil becomes the king. And in the south, they found Gondor, and Elendil's two sons, Isildur and Anarion, become the joint kings. These guys. Elendil is still the High King of both realms. And then we get to the War of the Last Alliance in the prologue of Lord of the Rings, in which Sauron is defeated, but Elendil is also slain. At which point Isildur takes up his father's place. Isildur becomes the King of Arnor and the High King of both realms, and his younger brother's descendants become the kings of Gondor. Until Isildur's son Valandil chose not to press his claim for High Kingship and just remained the King of Arnor. So the realms were sundered. Eventually Arnor failed and the line of kings was passed down through the Dunedain ranges, till we get to Aragorn. And the same happened to Gondor till the stewards took over. And technically, because Aragorn is a descendant of Isildur, he doesn't have a claim to the throne of the line of Anarion. So Denethor's right in that regard. Except Aragorn is actually a blood descendant of Isildur and Anarion. Because Aragorn's ancestor, King Arvedui of Arnor, a descendant of Isildur, married Princess Firiel of Gondor, a descendant of Anarion, and their line eventually came down to Aragorn. So he is a direct descendant of both brothers, so he does have a claim to the throne of Gondor.